Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana coffee cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease an 8 or 9 inch square pan and set it aside for now. To make the crumb topping, in a medium bowl, add in the brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and rub it into the mixture using your fingers until the mixture is combined and crumbly. Set aside the crumb topping for now. To make the banana cake, in a small bowl, add in the cake flour, or you can use all-purpose, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on a medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and pale. Then add in the egg and egg yolks and beat them on a medium speed for another minute. Then in a separate small bowl, mash up the overripe bananas. Then add in the buttermilk and mix them together until they're combined. Then alternate adding the dry and wet ingredients into the creamed butter and sugar mixture. Start by adding a third of the dry ingredients. Mix it by hand until it's just combined or almost combined. Then add in half of the wet ingredients. Mix it in until it's just combined or almost combined. And repeat the alternating process, ending with the dry ingredients. Once all the dry ingredients are added, mix it until it's just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan and spread it out until it's even. Then sprinkle the crumb topping evenly over the cake batter. Then bake it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then dust it with powdered sugar for the finishing touch. And you can serve it while it's still warm or cooled completely. And that's how to make banana coffee cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.